You look at a physician practice. Okay, and an average physician sees 5 to 8,000 patients in their practice. Medicine in general has a very long tail of conditions and diseases. Okay, so if you look at that practice, a lot of people are coming in for doing screening colonoscopies, but then the interesting parts that differentiate from the norm, that's where you need to look at to learn something about better diagnostics. When you're treating patients, that also becomes a very small part of the total patient population. So right now, biologics is a very hot place. A lot of research being done, a lot of drugs that are getting to market. When you think about that space and you want to look at a large patient population, let's see everybody that's on biologics, you want to compare how different treatments apply to different segments of the patient population, you need numbers to do that. You can only start seeing the pattern in classical statistics when you get to hundreds of cases. And if you actually want to look at progression of disease, you want to look through time and see how things have changed, you need that volume to grow actually exponentially. Okay, so the more complex question you want to ask, the larger sample size you need. That opportunity around practices consolidating and getting into very large patient populations, millions of patients, actually opens up the possibility of the flow of patients, looking at the workflow and improving the workflow, also looking operationally at all of these processes and see how they act, improving that, and clinically looking at the quality of care, investigating what gets you to better outcomes, reducing the variability, and getting all of the patients to get the best possible care.